In today's video, I will walk you through how to add indicators on investing.com charts. If you want to spot market momentum, filter out market noise, or catch trend reversals, mastering technical indicators is essential. Today, we're breaking down step by step how to find, add, and customize indicators on investing.com charts. Let's dive right in. When you open an interactive chart on investing.com, look at the top horizontal toolbar. You will see a button labeled Indicators, usually marked with an FX icon. Click that button, and a search window or drop-down menu will instantly appear, containing hundreds of built-in technical studies, ranging from simple overlays to complex volume oscillators. Searching and applying your indicator. Let's say you want to track trend direction using a moving average. Simply type Moving Average into the search bar inside the menu and click on it. It will instantly plot directly onto your price candles. If you want a momentum oscillator, like the Relative Strength Index or MACD, search for it the same way and click it. Investing.com will automatically open a separate subpanel underneath your main price chart so it doesn't clutter your candles. Customizing your settings. Once your indicator is active, hover your mouse over its name in the top left corner of the chart. Click the gear icon to open the settings window. From here, you can tweak lengths, smoothing periods, and visual styling like colors and line thickness to match your specific trading strategy. As you continue analyzing different markets, experimenting with various indicators can help you discover the chart setup that works best for your trading style. And that's how to add indicators on investing.com charts. With just a few clicks, you can customize your charts, perform more detailed technical analysis, and create a workspace that fits your investing or trading needs.